Okay. Oh, pretty. I'm so pretty.
Sino ba nakakarinig nito?
But show us the move. Ate, ano yung boomerang?
It's the real deal talking, yeah. I can get the crowd going and I do it real clean. Going smooth like butter, baby. I think we're on to something. Grab the back, don't stop running.
It's because of me.
The whole world's at your feet, and you can't believe what you see. Let me hear you say, yup. Just like that. Just like that. Yeah. Just like that. All the people say, yup. One time on the beat, everybody say, yup.
Ewan ko ba kung sino yung mga napulot ko lang.
Di ba tapos? Parang gag.
Hi, love.
We learn, we live, we love, we change, we grow.
My dearest Rainbow. I know you're in shock. I know you're in shock right now and asking who's Rainbow. Why are you crying? Oh yeah, I really not meant to say how I called you back then when I'm still getting to know you.
We met at the perfect time of our lives. Tulad ng sabi ko sa'yo noon na thankful and grateful ako na ikaw ang asawa ko. Makakasama ko habang buhay. Ito na ata ang God's timing for us.
We actually started from, hi, I wanted to know you because your bio says family-oriented. And that's the reason why I called you Rainbow. The meaning of rainbow? Well, that's true enough. Rainbow symbolizes my hope, my love, my happiness, my new beginnings with you.
Days for dreaming.
Sa Race and AJ, I challenge you. Gawing langit ang inyong tahanan. And so eventually, you would exclaim, langit ang kapiling ka. Lupa may langit na rin. Congratulations.
Just reach up for the sun. The
Tita, si Tita po. Nasa taas po. Kayo po. Kumain na po kayo, Tita. Tita, bibis ka na rin po. Mother of the groom po. Opo. Say hi po. Tita, tita of the bride. Hi. Ay, nakalapel na pala ako. Sabi niya, sayang na ba yung dress mo? Tapos sabi ko, ay, opo, tita. Kitang-kita naman ang katawan mo.
Nakita ko nung pumasok siya. Ay, yung gown mo?
Oo. This is me.
Nag-brat
Be you, sabi nila. So this is me.
Para naka-brat panty ka lang doon.
O, di ba mga basher, rinig kayo sa aking lapel.
Today is for dreaming. It's time to believe it.
Ayusin mo, tapos walang walang mga foul play, mga ganon, ha? Okay.
Para bang bituin, gusto mong sungkitin. Katulad ni Cha, nasungkit mo, di ba? Dahan-dahan nga lang, hindi bigla. Ayan, yan ang ibig sabihin.
It's time to believe it.
Huwag makukunit ang kilikid. Oh, show them! Show them! Show it!
Thank you so much.
Cash prize.
Yes! Pare-pareho!
Endorser pala, no?
Ang babaho nila! Mila! Mila! Ang babaho nila.
1, 2, 3.
My Rainbow, thank you for accepting me as I am. Not only that, but welcoming who Therese May really was is in your life.
I promise papakinggan ka kahit ano ang kwento mo. Hindi mo kailangan magpanggap maging sino ka man.
My love, I vow to love you more than your galit. Well, not just your galit, but you who will grow to be tomorrow and every day.
So I promise na you will feel safe all the time. Pangako, alagaan ka, mamahalin ka, kahit sa hirap at ginhawa. Benta ko to.
Damn! Apple ba talaga to? Tama na ang kaka-apple. Dahil dyan, kiss back. Ha ha ha. Hindi ata to apple. Sabi nga, hindi apple eh. O, di walang laman. Ate, nalakay namin yung I love. So, ito na talaga. Hope na magustuhan mo. Ito na lang ang paglaruan mo. Wag lang ang puso ko. Puso. I love. Thank you sa tap-tap. Bago na. Siyempre, makakapaglaro na ako ulit. Thank you. Yun lang. See you later.
Okay, hi love. Alam ko naman, alam mo na to eh. Pero sana mag-enjoy at maging masaya ka pa din at magamit mo buong buhay mo. At di mo ibenta. Kasi baka di mo type. So, see you later. I love you. Rar! AJ! I love you. See you later. Rar! Oo, may Bluetooth. Nila ako. Tara na. Gamitin na natin to. Huwag na tayo pumunta dun. I vow to listen to your words and silences in between and always seeking to understand you and your heart desire.
I know things are hard before, pero ngayon, di ka na mag-iisa. Di kita iiwan kahit anong mangyari.
I'm so pretty. Sali ka umiiyak.
We gave it all. Here we go. We were made for this moment, made for this moment. We were made for this moment, made for this moment. Follow me into the night, open hearts and diamond eyes. Every breath will feed the fire. This is where we come alive. We were made for this moment.
You're my biggest plot twist and blessing that happened to my life. I love you so much, my rainbow, my love, and now my husband. Kiss bomb!
Sabi nga sa kanta, hindi man araw-araw nakangiti, ngunit sa huli, palagi, babalik pa rin sa yakap mo hanggang sa muli. Palagi, pipiliin kang maging sa'yo. At sabi naman sa pelikula, no more goodbyes kasi hello, love again. Pero hello, love everyday. Therese May, Emelon Lim, I love you.